Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned chili better, step by step. Even a simple can of chili can become a truly satisfying meal with just a few easy additions. We'll start by draining off any excess liquid, which helps achieve a richer, thicker consistency. Then, we'll introduce some fresh, vibrant flavors by adding finely diced onions and minced garlic, sautéed until fragrant. Finally, incorporating a small can of diced tomatoes or a splash of tomato sauce will deepen the overall savory profile, making your chili taste homemade. Next, let's talk about spices, which are key to transforming your chili. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a half teaspoon of smoked paprika for a robust base. For those who enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper or a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce will do the trick. Don't forget to drop in 1 bay leaf while it simmers. It adds a subtle, complex aroma. To make your chili more substantial and satisfying, consider adding extra protein and texture. Brown about 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, drain the fat, and stir it into your chili. For more fiber and body, incorporate 1 can of drained and rinsed beans, like kidney or pinto. You can also add about 1 cup of frozen corn or diced bell peppers for a touch of sweetness and a pleasant textural contrast. Finally, let's perfect those flavors with some finishing touches. A small spoonful of apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten the entire dish. For a deeper, more complex flavor, try stirring in 1 small square of dark chocolate or a dash of brewed coffee. It's a secret many chefs use. Serve your enhanced chili hot, garnished with your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.